Hey, what's up? It's Jaden. Hold on, let me turn off my TV. Okay, it's Jaden playing his iPhone, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get this screen recording too. So right now I'm using this application called iTools, but if you want it, it'll be in the description, the link to it. You will have to use Google Chrome for it because it's not in English, but Google Chrome can translate it to English for you. So yeah, well, actually, just look up on the internet iTools English. So yeah, download. But here's how to get the app when it comes out without a computer. So you go to this page, IREC app, and then you go to their website, and then there's the app, but right now it isn't finished, so you have to wait for that to come out. But for news on it, you can click the Twitter thing. But yeah, follow me on Twitter. They also mentioned me in their tweet. Follow me on Instagram, and you can follow them. There they are. And that is me. And follow Andy and EMU for iOS. But yeah, and follow Derek OP. Their names will be in the description. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this short video. But anyways, pretty sure you would think it's helpful. Oh wait. There's something you need to do when it comes out. Like when it comes out on EMU. You're gonna click install, and then you're gonna press your home button. Hold on. Then you're gonna press your home button. Then you go to settings, and on your screen it'll keep on saying like close or retry. You're gonna keep on clicking retry, and then you're gonna go to general, and then you're gonna go to date and time. You're gonna turn off select automatically, and then you're gonna go to 2012. So yeah, and then but it'll still be retrying, and then once you set the date to 2012, it'll be done. But yeah, that's basically how to get the app when it comes out. So thank you guys for watching, and have a good time.